What is going on? Stay ready, family. Look, we are week 3. I'm pretty sure it's week 3. Time flies. Week 3, drywall has been mudded. Drywall should be completely done. You can see we got lights hanging from the skies, and I am very happy because we're at a good pace. We're at a good pace right now. Of course, I would love it to have been done and put this thing on the market by Halloween. However, things don't work that way. Drywall took forever, which is a big house, lots of issues, lots of drywall needs to be done, and that's okay. You can see we got a new door. You can see we're really at the finish line. You can see I got all my beautiful flooring right back here. Shout out to Facebook Marketplace, 100%. But now that the drywall is done, that probably is going to take the longest. We got 2 bathrooms coming up. That should probably take about a week, hopefully not a week each. Hopefully we can get things done at the same time. However, I'm not a contractor or a handyman, but based off historical activities and historical things that's been done, it should take about a week. I'm gonna get some big tile. I still gotta pick that out. I still gotta pick the paint color, but got my kitchens most likely coming next week as well. My kitchen cabinets, RTA, ready to assemble. And yeah, like I said, I'm happy. We gotta get some things to fix the unevenness of the, what is that? The jams. However, if I can stay put, a lot of things have been going on. A lot of things have been going on. And the biggest thing right now is my dang hard money lender, right? So like I said, what I have to do is I have to front the cost of materials and the labor, and then they'll reimburse me 100%. However, the foundation, the thorn on my side, got that done, but the permit has not been closed out yet. The county still needs to come and inspect it. So right now, I paid for the roof, I paid for my HVAC, I paid, a week of labor, I paid for some flooring, it's not installed yet, but I paid for a lot, and I have not been reimbursed because the bank says that the permit's not closed and that it needs to be blah, blah, blah. However, I'm pretty sure it's not in the contract. I'm gonna look at that. But I'll give you some more details in a different video. Like I said before, I'm gonna do a hard money lender video. And I will tell you what bank not to use. To be very honest here. Don't use the bank. I'm not gonna say their names now. However, their names will be spilt once I sell this property, and I'll spill all the beans. Of course, I'll spill all the beans. But we're rolling. Let's take a quick stroll. Boom, boom. You see that? Just take a stroll. Hopefully I'll get hit. But we're gonna take a stroll in the kitchen because I'm excited for this. So stay put. Kitchen. So side note, Black Friday sales starts November 5th, which is it's November 8th now. And they have the best appliance deals at Home Depot. No one's gonna touch it. Brand new appliances, Black Friday sale, always buy at Home Depot. But I'm gonna put a fridge right here, some uppers, some lowers, sink under the window here, of course, dishwasher. It's gonna be beautiful. And the thing I cannot figure out right now is where I wanna put my island. Thinking it's gonna be an 8-foot island, it's gonna be a little bit right here, but I'll put like some 3 pendant lights. I would like it to be even with these lights, but we'll figure it out once we get the design. But this is real estate, man. Things don't go as quick as you'd love them ever, but things look good, right? I'm gonna be very happy at the end of this. Take a stroll. Front door, living room, kitchen. We're gonna go through the bathroom. Oops. Bathroom should look great. I'm gonna show you a before the bathroom. It's gonna be good over here. I'm just bringing you around town. You can see the room's done. Let's just take a stroll. Whee. But you can see the drywall has been completed, and that's the biggest thing. That's what's taking a long time, because they didn't really want to do anything until that was done. Plus there's a lot of texture that's going everywhere, so things just need to be painted, and once the drywall is done, it needs to basically dry, of course, and cure once all that stuff is on there. But used to be a crack right there that got cleaned up. And this is one of the things I am most excited about right here. If you've known anything, you know that this has been a thorn on my side, and we're done. It's time to play ball. All right, I'll make a video on the exterior and why that was a thorn on my side. I made a video before, but we're gonna talk about the completed project. Bad lighting. Follow the next video. Thanks.